Welcome. In front of me I have a Spigen case for the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and today I'll take a look at this and just see how it fits, looks on the case itself, and also how it works with the MagSafe charger. Though I want to mention this isn't supposed to work with MagSafe in general, but I do want to check it out. Maybe it holds a little bit, and if it does, then that would be absolutely fantastic. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. So here we have a carabiner for the case itself, then the case. Now this, unlike some other Spigen cases, does not have any kind of double-sided tape at the top, which is a little bit of a shame. I always like to see that. It obviously will provide you with a little bit of a better fit, but other than that, just put that on here, this on here. And there we go, that's it. So to open it up, you do have this button. It makes a satisfying little click, but I do want to point that out. When you're closing it, you do have to press it a little bit, otherwise, as you can see, it won't close without actually pressing it at all. So a little bit of a disappointing turnout right here of events, and it also doesn't clip all the way, as you can see. But that is a little bit of a less problem rather than having this happen. Other than that, the case looks nice. It's a little bit on the bulkier side. Everything that you'd expect is uncovered, so we have all the cutouts for everything up here. The light goes through the button, so just trying to showcase this. You can see it right now. So it shines through it. At the top we just have a little bit of a logo, and at the back the cutout for the pairing button, which is nice to see, and on the side for like whatever you like wrap around here, whatever that's called. So there we go, that's basically the case. Now, like I mentioned, I also wanted to check out the MagSafe, and yeah, this one not so much. You would basically have to have it flat and just, whoa, hey, it protects it obviously. So you'd have to have this flat and just literally place it on here. It will lock into place where it needs to be. So it does still, magnets go a little bit through the actual case itself, but if you flip it, you can see it just slides off. So in terms of placing it, it will find its correct place if it's laying like just completely flat. So it will charge. I assume it will charge through it. Let's actually figure that out. Let's see. Hopefully that charger is good enough. I will have to do this off camera just so I can check. So that being said, let's check it out. Yep, it does charge, which I won't be able to show in time. Yep, it automatically disappears with the light, but it does charge through the case. So that will obviously be one of the more important aspects, that it charges through the case. So there we go. That being said, not very compatible with MagSafe as a MagSafe. Wireless charging still works, but the safe part of MagSafe does not really. As the case adds a little bit too much thickness to the case, therefore not having enough strength to actually hold onto the MagSafe magnets. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.